Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you why you should use the transform crop effect instead of using the crop in the effects tool that came out with the 2025 edition. I will show you why. If I remove the bottom green screen thing I've put in on this clip here, I know it's at 6% and it's gone, and if I scale up and down it'll stay gone. But if I put in another effect like a 3D effect on this, as you can see here, it is not going to work and it will crop the image wrong. So that is why I would suggest, if you keep on using the crop effect, if I do it on this one, let's put on the crop here and go down and use the crop here from the bottom as 6%, and I'll put on the same 3D effect, which I'll just take it directly from here, basic 3D, put it on. As you can see, this way the effect will still work all around you when you're editing your video, and the effect will stay on it. So that is why you shouldn't be using this effects control crop, but instead use the crop in the effects presets. The transform effect crop, use this instead. If you want to know how to crop your images and videos correctly, check out my other video on it here.